Today we're going to begin taking a look at your time clock. Your time clock's up here on the top. When you click it, you'll have three options. You'll have your time clock, your time off request, and your absence tracking. When you click your time clock, if you are an administrator, it will give you an option to choose whether you want to view as an administrator or not. When your clock comes up, you'll have your options on the right to clock in, begin break, end break, clock out, or close. You do have a notes field here where you can leave a note for your administrator. Your time off request is a form that you'll print and fill out and give to your administrator to get approval for your time off. Your absence tracking, this just tells you your absences and the reasons why. You have a calendar here to choose the date. You'll choose your reason, and you can give any comments needed here. Once you enter them in, they will show here. This can be filtered by reason, date range, or a keyword. That's it for time clock and absence tracking. Thanks.